Hello everyone! Are you ready for yoga stretch day 4? Today you're going to need a strap. If you don't have a strap, use a tie. Okay? I'm going to put it right here. And we're going to focus on your lower back. So we're going to try to release some pain as well in your lower back. So all our stretches are going to focus on that. So let's start right in child's pose. So open the knees and sit on your heels, extend your arms, and I want you to press your fingertips right here in the mat, forehead down as well, down the mat. And I want you to breathe. That's it. Deep breaths through the stomach, all the way up to your chest if you want. Two more breaths right here. Good. And slowly lift the chest. We're going to go in puppy dog. So bring your knees closer to each other, hip bones apart, keeping the buttock up towards the sky. Lengthening again your arms right here. Forehead down on the mat. So I'm bringing my feet together. I find it easier. Travel your hands on the right side of the mat. Left hand on top and look down again between your arms. So feel that nice stretch on the left side of your body. If you want to feel it more, just tilt the pelvis. So I'm going a tiny bit to the right, pushing the left hip back. Are you breathing? That's your lats. And slowly come up and switch sides. So let's bring your left hand on the side of the mat, right hand on top, and look between your arms. Beautiful. Let's slowly come back to neutral. We're going to sit on the mat. You're going to use your strap or your tie and let's stretch your hamstrings. I'm going to do only one leg at a time. So let's start with your right. And you're going to put the strap or the tie just below your toes to protect your arch. Flex your foot nice and tall. Relax your arms and shoulders and just hinge from the hips and come slowly forward. So I'm staying nice and tall from my head all the way down to my pelvis. The only thing you need to do here is breathing deeply through your nose. That's it. Relax the jaw. Make sure you're not rounding your upper back. I'm going to stay here for 4 more deep breaths through your nose. That's it. And let's slowly release. Turn your torso towards the left leg. And I'm going to fall above my right leg and bring the left arm up towards the sky. So flex the right foot. And you're looking straight ahead, looking up. Make sure you're keeping the left shoulder right in the pocket. And just breathe here. Anytime it's too much for your shoulder, bring your arm behind your back. Good. So feel the stretch in your back. This is your QL. And more you're going to bring your arm towards your ear, more you should feel it. Just listen to your back. And I'm using my right elbow here instead of my right thigh to help me to rotate my heart more towards the sky. Are you breathing? Good. Inhale up. Ooh. Exhale. And let's switch. Same thing. Extend your left. Use your strap or your tie below your toes. Nice and tall. Relax your arms and shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Hinge from the hips and come forward. Keep breathing deeply, feeling nice and tall, and doing even a little chin tuck here to lengthen the back of my neck. And let's slowly release the strap. Turn your torso towards the right leg. You're going to fall left shoulder above your left leg and bring your right arm up towards the sky. So use your elbow against your left thigh to help you to rotate more towards the back of the room. You can flex your left foot as well. And more you're going to bring your arm towards the shoulder or your ear, more you should feel it in your back. Are you breathing? Let's stay a little bit longer here. Anytime it's too much, you release. Good. Inhale up, exhale to release. And from here, let's go in pigeon. So I'm going to bring my right knee behind my right wrist, and you're going to walk the left leg as far as you can. Try to sit closer to your right heel, and you're welcome to slowly come down, keeping the hips square. You can put a cushion or a block underneath your right hip to keep your hips parallel or square. So just try to relax and breathe again deeply. So releasing piriformis, your hip muscles, is going to help your lower back. So I like holding it here for close to a minute. If you can longer, go for it. Again, keep breathing, feeling the pressure of your stomach right on your leg. And we're going to slowly lift the chest. And when we stretch the quads, so you're going to bend your left leg and grab your ankle. You can go inside on the outside. Listen to yourself. You can also fall on your right hip here, and you can also go on your side. You can use your strap to help you around your ankle. And just breathe. And slowly release. Let's do pigeon, other leg. Take your time. There's no rush. Bring your left knee behind your left wrist. And bring the right leg as far as you can behind you. And again, slowly come back down. Breathe again deeply through your nose. Let's stay here for 4 more deep breaths. And we're going to slowly lift the chest, bend your right knee, grab your ankle. Feel the stretch right in your quads. So we are opening a little bit of the chest as well because we're grabbing it, grabbing the ankle. And slowly release. Let's go right on your back. Bring your knees to your chest. And you can rock side to side as well to massage your lower back. And let's bring the right knee to your chest. You're going to let go your left leg completely down the floor. Relax your shoulders and arms. Relax your jaw. And then just go back to your breath. And let's bring your left hand on the outside of your right knee. We're going to twist and open your right arm to the side and turn your head to look at your right hand. Again, relax shoulders and arms. Breathe again. So feel the stretch in your back, in your glutes. And bring your head to neutral, followed by your knee. Let's switch your legs. I'm going to bring my left knee in. I'm going to lengthen my right leg and slowly draw the left knee towards the left shoulder. And just let go. Release any tension. And let's bring your right hand on the outside of your left knee. And let's go to the right side of your mat. And slowly turn your head to the left. So make sure you're feeling it right here, the glutes and back, guys. If you feel it at the front of your hip, that's your hip flexors contracting. So I want you to maybe lower the leg instead. And then we're going to focus more on the back. Are you breathing? There we go. Two more breaths here. And one more. And slowly bring your head to neutral, followed by your leg. Bring both knees up, wide, towards the shoulders, right here. Happy baby. Pass your arms in front of your shins. Grab the outside of your feet and legs up towards the sky. You can also gently rock side to side. And let's stop again in the middle and press again your feet to bring your knees closer to the earth. Feel the opening in your inner thighs. And slowly release. And let's have a seat on your mat. It feels so good. So I hope your back is feeling better and see you soon.